Okay, so this is the Britax B-Safe 35 car seat. This is the car seat that we bought our baby, our daughter, from the hospital to home, and we have been taking her to doctor visits and stuff. And we have been using this for quite a while. We decided to now make a small video because we have to remove the car seat, and it's not immediately obvious for new parents as to how to set this thing up. We decided to make a small review so that hopefully it helps somebody. Right, you can see this is the car seat. Obviously it has the canopy, and this part, using these two red levers, you can move it front or you can move it back. This is the max you can move to the front, but you can move it to the back as much as you want. So nice. Also you can see these holders. These are really nice when we are trying to put our daughter. What I do is I like to stick this thing in here. So when I put my daughter in, what happens is this thing does not bother us. Like this, you see, so that she does not get hurt or in any way when I pull this thing. Now one thing to note is that when you press this button, you need to, when you want to make this handles loose, you need to press this button. So let me press this and let me pull this thing. You can see I was able to pull it. And now to pull it is very easy, right? But let's say once it's tightened, once again you want to put your daughter in, after you tightened her, you press this button, and that way you can basically, pull this lever. So you can see that this lever becomes smaller. And now it's loose so that you can, put your daughter in or son in, whatever, your baby. So this is the main part, and this is the, bottom part. What you need to do is, this, you see these two handles, these are going to go into the modern car seat baby holders. So all the modern car seats have like a holders in the back seat where you can plug this thing in, so you don't need to basically put the belt around here, and this is much easier and much safer as well. But note, when you try to put this thing, it will be very difficult for you, and the reason for this is these slots, right, they need to be really pulled outside, and to do it, press this button. Okay, you see, press this button properly, right? Once again, you need to press it properly. And now you see it's loose. Now what you can do is, you can plug this thing in the car. I'm going to show you that. And then you are going to start pulling this to make this tight. One more thing is this car seat orientation. You see this one? There is a red indicator. Most car seats have this. You need to make sure this red line is in between. Now right now it looks like this, right? But car seat is not straight. They are always usually slightly, downwards. So when you put this thing, it will be like this, and you see this red indicator, it won't be in the center, which is not good. So you are going to press this button, and you are going to make this up or down. So you can see how I have made this thing up now. So this basically helps to bring it up and make sure that the car seat is straight. So this button at the back is what you are going to do to adjust the height of the car seat, or more like the orientation. And when you use this button, eventually this thing will be in between these two arrows. Then you are going to tighten this thing. So in short, plug this thing in. I'm going to show that to you now. Adjust this arrows to make sure that the marker is in the center and the orientation is correct. Use this thing to change the orientation, the button here for this arrow, and then you are going to tighten this thing. And once you tighten it, you need to make sure that the car seat does not move. It should move very less. And once you have done all of those things, we are just going to put this thing in it, and it's locked in. Now note, once this locked in car, how do you remove it? The answer is here at the back. You see this button here? To remove it from the car seat, you are going to press this button, and you are going to lift the car seat. You are going to do this a lot, right? So when we want to put our baby, we basically put her here. This is obviously in the car permanently, or like most of the time. And we put our daughter in, buckle her, make sure everything is fine, and we take it in the car and just plug it. And same when I want to go to take her to doctor's appointment or something like that. So yeah, now let me show this to you in the car. Okay, so now you see I have extended this rod, and I have pulled this completely inside by pressing this button and pulling this thing. Now I'm going to put my daughter in the car seat. Yep, she's in, and you can see I have put these things on the right side so it does not hurt her. And you can see now this thing is inside. Next thing is I'm going to put her hand inside this thing. So put this thing here and okay, let me remove this from here. Okay, next I'm going to tie this thing here. I'm going to make it straight and I'm going to pull this rod here. So you see I'm going to continue to pull this, making this thing tight. And I think now it's tight enough. Now I'm going to move this thing up to her shoulder level. Yeah. So it's like, let me move this here. Okay, now this is at shoulder level. Now it's good. And when I want to remove her, I'm going to press this button and pull this out. Now I'm going to show you how to set the car base in the car. This is the car seat and I've extended this rod out completely. So I'm going to place this here like this and I'm going to find for this locks. And I found it. And you can see I just pressed it in and licked it. It's like right in between here, right between the where the two seats, the hole in between the two seats. Same here as well, I found it. Let me make sure that this is in correct position. Yep. You heard that click, right? It was that thing getting pulled in. But you can see this is very loose, this is not good. Now I'm going to adjust these holes. I want this red alignment line. I want this red alignment line to be in the center and this is the right time to do it. And you can see I pressed this button here and pulled it up. So now the alignment is here. I can do it even more, now it's properly in the center. Now comes the part which takes time. Pull this. Pull this. It's easier to do if you are standing up. Okay, now you can see this hardly moves and this is how you want. Now I'm going to bring my daughter in. Okay, so I'm bringing my daughter in. I'm just putting the car seat right on the top. So you might need to do this, right? Yep, now it's fit. Now the car seat is fit. And now I don't need to worry. Now my daughter is in here and she's fine and she's safe. Okay, that's how we do it. And to remove it, just press this button here and you can lift her up. Okay, thank you.